Hey, what is up guys? My name is Marcus, and these are 5 features of the Meepo that you probably didn't know about. I should mention that these features are not really secret and have definitely been reported on before, so some of you might already know some or all of these. With that said, let's start with the first feature. One of my favorites, the Smart Power On. Built right into the Meepo, this feature allows you to turn on the board by simply giving it a push. The remote will then pair automatically and you're off. There's no need to bend down and press the button. To add to this, the board will also automatically turn itself off when not in use. This means that you will never actually have to touch the button underneath the board. It is very convenient and a feature that I immediately miss when I test other boards. The second feature I want to highlight has to do with safety. It's pretty easy to notice when the board is low on juice, as it will slow down and eventually stop completely. That and of course the battery indicators. However, when the remote is low on power, you do not notice it as easily. As a safety measure, the remote will turn off acceleration and only allow for brakes when the remote is low on power, instead of shutting down abruptly when you're going 22 miles an hour. Okay, the next feature is one that you probably already know about. Meepo isn't just one board. There's actually 6 total models to choose from. You have the original Meepo 1.5 with the 38-inch deck. This is the standard and the most common version and the one I have right here. Then there's also a shorter 30-inch model and a slightly longer version with a dual kicktail design. To add to this, you can also get each of these models with the standard battery that has a range of 18 kilometers, or the upgraded Sanyo or Tesla battery that offers an extended range of 28 kilometers. The next feature I want to highlight is one that is often overlooked, but one that I find to be one of the best. People often forget that electric skateboards are a bit like cars in the sense that they all eventually need service. Since the Meepo is always aimed to be DIY friendly, it is also often easier and cheaper to service compared to other electric skateboards. Not only that, but the parts the Meepo uses are very common and really easy to find. And that brings me to the final feature I'd like to highlight. The Meepo is actually a great path into the DIY scene for someone who wants to start with something pre-assembled. Not only is the Meepo fairly affordable, but it is also easy to work with, and replacing parts is made simple. There are so many people out there who have modified their Meepo, upgraded the battery, added different wheels, swapped the deck, improved the remote, changed the battery indicators, the list goes on. Now these are just my top 5 features, but if you have something else that you really like, or maybe it's one of these 5s, please let me know in the comments below. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.